Most people struggle in the morning. Maybe you hit snooze one too many times, or you feel like you're behind before the day even starts. But here's the good news. How you begin your day can set the tone for everything that follows. And so today, we're going to be diving into what a healthy morning routine looks like with practical tips that you can use to feel great, be productive, and set your body and mind up for success. First, let's talk about sleep. A great morning starts the night before. Our bodies thrive on routine, so going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, is one of the most powerful habits you can build. Also, did you know that between the hours of 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. are key for your hormonal health? That's when your body repairs and restores itself, so aim to sleep during this window whenever possible. And skip the idea of, again, catching up on the weekend. That'll throw that internal clock out of sync. Now that you're up, let's focus on three key areas: nutrition, mindfulness, and movement. These are the building blocks of a healthy day. First up is hydration. After a full night's sleep, your body is dehydrated, so drink a big glass of water first thing in the morning. It's a small step with a big impact. And when it comes to food, think about front-loading your meals. Eating your largest meal earlier in the day when your metabolism is more active, it helps with digestion, with energy, and even weight management. Let's stick to nutrient-dense foods in the morning. Lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Avoid sugary cereals or pastries that can cause your energy to crash later. The next area is mindfulness. Starting your day with a moment of peace can lower your stress and improve your focus. You don't need an hour. A simple 1-minute meditation can be enough to center yourself. So try this. After brushing your teeth, take one deep breath and focus on gratitude, or set a positive intention for the day. Or just stop and don't think about anything. Just take some very slow, deep breaths in and out during one of those moments to get you beginning that meditation process. If meditation isn't your thing, try journaling or reading something inspiring. It's about clearing that mental clutter and preparing for the day ahead. Some people will choose to pray, spend that time in prayer. Prayer meditation can be very good for you, especially in the mornings. So now let's talk about movement. Morning exercise isn't just about burning calories. It wakes up your body and boosts your mood. Walking is a great starting point. You can aim for 10,000 steps a day and just look for opportunities to walk more. Park farther away, take the stairs, go for a quick stroll before work, set a timer and get up and move every 30 minutes to an hour. Those kinds of things can begin to really get you moving. We're going to get into strength training. You can try strength training at home. Simple exercises like squats, push-ups, tricep dips. Use your body weight and don't require fancy equipment. Even just 5 minutes at a time can make a difference. While we're talking about movement, don't forget the importance of your spinal health. A visit to the chiropractor can keep your body functioning at its best. Regular chiropractic care helps reduce tension, improve mobility, and support your overall wellness. So if you're struggling with stiffness or discomfort, it's definitely worth checking out. Once your body is ready, it's now time to focus your mind. Write down your goals for the day. Guys, only about 3% of people do this, but they accomplish 10 times more than those who don't. Be specific about what matters most and use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that make the biggest difference and do those first. Start with your top 3 priorities per day. Tackling them early not only builds momentum, but also reduces stress as the day goes on. And here are a couple of bonus tips for a healthier morning. Open up your curtains and get some natural light first thing. It helps to reset your internal clock. Avoid screens for at least the first 30 minutes of your day. Blue light can stress your eyes and disrupt your focus. And if mornings feel rushed, set up your essentials the night before. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, plan your breakfast. It's one less thing to think about. A healthy morning routine doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few small changes, consistent sleep, hydration, mindfulness, movement, and planning, you can set the stage for an amazing day. And remember, we're here to help keep you moving and feeling your best. So what's one step that you're going to take tomorrow morning to improve your routine? Let us know. We would love to hear from you. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.